I'm Ida Yadina, a business developer, humanitarian, and crypto girl. I've made over 5 figures in dollars from cryptocurrency. With cryptocurrency, the secret for you to be a successful crypto trader and minimize losses is by starting with a low amount. So there's no particular figure I could tell you could start with, maybe $500, $1,000. No, start with something that you could be comfortable, maybe comfortable losing, and an amount which you're kind of using to train yourself and build your skills. So maybe if I have to give figures, be between $100 and $500 for a start. For Africans to invest in cryptocurrency, we all know that the particular cryptocurrencies that are like top on the list worldwide, like these currencies are set apart because of the kind of projects behind them and because of how long they have existed. So as Africans, for you to invest in cryptocurrency, I think top on your list should be Bitcoin. Secondly, we have Ethereum. Thirdly, we have Cardano, we have Polkadot. These are cryptocurrencies that have really good projects behind them, and you're sure of the fact that they're going to exist now and in the next 5-10 years to come. So there's just a long list of them. I've listed 4. I could add the 5th, which is the Binance coin, and this is also good because it's owned by the Binance company and it's a platform that looks very promising. Losing in crypto is inevitable, so the amount you lose will depend on your capital and your portfolio in general. I cannot tell you like you're going to lose $1,000 or $2,000, but what is sure is that you're going to lose most times even more than 70% of your capital invested in crypto when you start trading. And losing doesn't mean that you're also not going to, with time, you're going to minimize your losses, and as you build your skills, you're going to lose less. But you must lose for you to be good in crypto trading. For now, there's so much material online on YouTube, on Google, and a lot of other platforms. But the major difficulty most people have is there's very limited organized material. Like, you know that you're starting from, this is the first part, the second part, the third part for you to become a proper, good crypto trader. So for you to learn about cryptocurrency, I think the first thing is go online. There's so much material, those scattered online. Go online and read what exactly is cryptocurrency, because you need to understand what the whole concept of cryptocurrency is about. If you're able to get that, then secondly, you get a coach or enroll in a school where they can train you or teach you how to trade cryptocurrency from one course to another, like in an orderly manner, so that you're building your skills properly. You cannot just learn it scatteredly like that from YouTube. So my advice is get a coach or enroll in a school, or like I have an ebook I'm working on. It's going to teach you how to trade crypto and become a successful crypto trader with all the different opportunities in the crypto space. So you can look out for material like what I'm working on. Cryptocurrency gave me financial freedom. Like crypto gave me the finances I have now to be able to invest in other projects. So it has greatly impacted me. I cannot say I got here without losing. At the start of it, it wasn't easy because you're not very experienced, you're still learning, you're building your skills, you're trying to explore all the opportunities in the crypto space. But with time, you find the right opportunities and you make money from crypto. So you can actually make a life from being a crypto trader. And crypto trader, the crypto space is really broad. So you have to take advantage of all the opportunities in the crypto space for you to be able to gain financial freedom from cryptocurrency. Also considering the fact that the space is really very volatile. So today it's up and tomorrow it's down. So you're getting into it with all the knowledge and aware of the volatility in the space. But cryptocurrency gave me financial freedom. I'll say more than 50%, about more than 60% of people welcome the idea of cryptocurrency. They love the idea that, okay, this is where we're moving to. The world is moving from this kind of currency, from fiat to digital currency. And they are going to learn about it, read about it, and they are accepting that the future is cryptocurrency. currency. The other 40% or let's say 30%, they are like, okay, I've heard that something exists like cryptocurrency, but I really will never get involved in something like that. It's not my thing. I don't want anything that I don't understand, I can't feel, and it's just some digital something that you really don't understand how exactly it works. But I think we are on a good place because the majority of the people welcome the idea of cryptocurrency and trading. I've been in the crypto space since January 2019, so this is my 3rd year being a crypto girl. You can make a life, and making a life, it's like you can have a capital of $1,000 and it gives you 1,000x, 1,000 times that amount from the crypto space. It's very possible. But then this also depends on how much, how do you invest in the crypto space? Do you have a coach? Do you just read about stuff and you just go and bet your money because you hear that this is how much you can make from cryptocurrency? How do you go about investing in cryptocurrency? I think that firstly will determine how much you can make from the crypto space in 3 years, because someone who decides to focus maybe the first year just learning about crypto and starts trading the second year will be better off than someone who just gets into the crypto space very excited and the next 2-3 months they want to start trading and making money from the crypto space. What I can tell you is you can make up to 1,000 times the amount of money you've invested in cryptocurrency in the 3 years, and as well as you can lose, so you can go to a zero and right down to negative. Firstly, I will advise anyone interested in getting into the crypto space, the first thing you have to do is learn. Learn about cryptocurrency like it's some exam you're going to take. Read every detail about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency properly before you decide to put in your money and invest into cryptocurrency. Secondly, be patient. No pressure. Don't rush into wanting to double money, go in, get like 100% profit in the shortest possible time because you hear people making money from it. You don't know how much time they spend learning and studying and how long they've been in the space. Be patient. Learn about cryptocurrency. Be patient. Thirdly, get a coach. Get someone who is experienced in the field. Let this person follow you up. Ask this person questions. Make time for crypto. Take crypto seriously when you decide to get into crypto, because there's a lot of people who do cryptocurrency but don't take it as seriously as they're supposed to. Take it seriously. Get a coach. Learn. Be patient, and you're going to do very well in the crypto space. So you can reach out to me on social media. Yeah, we can start your crypto journey together. Thank you so much for having me here. It's been a pleasure sharing my experience with you on my crypto journey. Hope to see you next time.